Hello guys, as we all know, I am Chebrolu Bhuvan, and in our last class we have discussed the chapter 1 rational numbers, and in this class we will start the chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. So first we should analyze the chapter name, the name of the chapter. So what is equation first we have to know. Before knowing what is an equation, we should know what is an expression. So before knowing what is an equation, we should know what is an expression. Okay, so what is an expression? So what is an expression? Expression is anything which is a valid combination of variables and constants. So first we should know what is a variable in order to know expression. So what is a variable? Variable is something which do not have any fixed value. And what is a constant? A constant is something which has a fixed value. A variable can be x, a, y, z, etc. A constant can be 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. Any number. Okay, which has a fixed value and its value cannot be changed. But a variable, the value of the variable changes depending upon the question, etc. So now we should know what is expression. So what is an expression? An expression is something which is a valid combination of variables as well as constants. For example, 5x. This is an expression where 5 is constant, x is variable. Next, 2x plus 5. Okay, constant, variable, 5 is again a constant. And what is this plus? Plus is operator. So the valid combination of variables along with constants with the use of arithmetic operators such as plus, minus, into, into, divided by is called variables or expressions. So now we will be starting what is an equation. So now, okay, so first we should know what is degree. The degree of expression. So degree of an expression. Degree of an expression. So degree of an expression is sum of the powers of the variables. Okay, so first we should know what is the power. First, what is the exponent or what is the radical or what is the power of x is 1. If nothing is mentioned, we should take the power as 1. If they give x squared, power is 2 or degree is 2, we can tell 2xy. Okay, so first, 2, what is the constant? What is the power of 2? 2 power is nothing. We should not consider. Okay, we should not consider 2 into x power 0. What is x power 0? 1. So 2 into 1 will give 2. So we can write 2 as 2x power 0. So into what is the power of x? X power 1. What is the power of y? Y power 1. So what is the degree of this equation? 0 plus 1 plus 1. 2. Okay. So every time it is not possible to think like this. So directly 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 will give 2. Okay. So now let us take some more examples to understand properly. So now 4x cube yz. So what is the degree? 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1. This is 5. So linear equation. Depending upon the degree, we have the classifications. We have the classification that is linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic, and biquadratic. So linear means degree 1. Okay, degree is 1. So we have analyzed the first word linear. Okay, then equation. So what is an equation? So first is here we should, okay, equation. So what is an equation? Equation means any expression equated to 0. Any expression equated to 0. Any expression which is equated to 0. Okay, is called equation, for example. So what is 2x plus 3? This is expression. When this is equated to 0, when this equality sign is present, Okay, so this is called equation. Okay, equation or 5x is equal to 0. Equation. So when we solve the equations, what we will receive, that is called solution of an equation. Okay, okay. Solution is the value of variable to satisfy the equation. So we'll discuss in brief how to find the solutions and all. So first what we'll analyze the names of it. Next, what is one variable? Means for example, if we take 2x plus y. Okay, here it is 1, here it is 1. What is the highest power? 1. So the degree will be 1. So 2x square plus z cube. Highest power is 3. So the degree will be 3. Okay, degree will be 3. So even though we can have two variables, we can get a linear equation. So this is also a linear equation only. But in 8th class, we will say or chapter or we solve linear equation based on only one variable. One variable means in either x or y. Okay, only one variable we will use, not multi-variables. We will learn how to use multi-variables in our further classes. So next. So this is a what is called equation, etc. So next, so linear equations is one variable. It contains variable, equality sign, okay, and constants and variables. So now we should show what are the components of an equation. For example, let us take one equation: 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so we want what we know: 2 is a constant, x is a variable, 3 is again a constant. Equality sign. This is equality sign. And what is 0? 0 is again a constant. So valid combination of expressions, or we can tell it as valid combination of constants and variables. Okay, equated by an equality sign. Okay, equality sign gives us a linear equation. Linear equation. So in linear equation, the left hand side of equality sign, left hand side are known as LHS, left-handed side, and right side of the equality sign is called RHS, right-handed side. So it contains left-handed side and right-handed side, LHS and RHS in short form. An algebraic expression is an equality involving variables. Okay, it involves equality sign. This is equality sign. So the expression on the left-hand side is equal to the expression on the right-hand side. Okay, so the expression on the right hand side. So in an equation, the variables on the expressions on left hand side and right hand side are equal. So this equality sign determines, we know 2 is equal to 2. So means value of 2 and value of 2 both are same. So like this. So and in an equation, the values of the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So when it will be true? When the variable will satisfy the value of the variable which should satisfy this equation. So the value of the variable should satisfy the equation. So the value of the variable which satisfy the equation. So value of the value of the variable which satisfies the equation. The value of the variable which satisfies or which proves or which satisfies the equation. Equation in short form is called solution of the equation. Is called solution of the equation. So the value of the variable which satisfies is called solution. So how to find the solution? So we'll be having the various methods to find the solution, and let us start. So first we have seen about what is a linear equation, what is a linear variable, an equation, and what is one variable, and how to find the degree, and how to analyze the degree, and how to find whether it's a linear expression or not. So now we shall see how to find the solution. How to find the solution. So how to find the solution of an equation. So what is the solution? The equation or the variable, the value of the variable which satisfy the equation is called solution. Again, I'm repeating it. So there are two methods of finding the solution. The first method is we can we can add and subtract or multiply or divide one number. There is no specific name of the method. Just how to apply, I will tell you. So for example, let x plus a is equal to b, where I will write the condition. So where x is variable. X is variable. Okay, variable. And a comma b are constant. This is the condition I am applying. So there is no, this can take any constant. Just if they ask question, x plus 2 is equal to 3. What is the value of x? In order to find, I am taking it in the short form. So x plus a equal to b. So first we should eliminate this a in order to find the value of x. Am I right? So how to eliminate a? We know a, if you add the a with its additive inverse, plus minus a will give 0. We know this identity, right? So we'll add the additive inverse of a. So x plus a plus minus a. We just cannot add on one side. We should add on both the sides. B plus minus a. Am I right? So a and a minus a will cancel to provide the result as 0. So x plus 0, x is equal to b plus into minus a, b minus a. So what is the value of x in such cases? B minus a. Okay. So next, we can add any variable. We can add the variable or we can add any value on the both the sides. We should add on the both the sides, not on one side. That's the main important rule and the main mistake committed. So x plus a equal to b. The solution is x is equal to b minus a. Is this clear? Now next. Now next. So x minus a equal to b. X minus a equal to b. So now what is here? Here the value is, we can write it as x plus minus a equal to b. Am I right? Okay. So now what is the additive inverse of minus a? Is a, which provides 0. So now we are adding a on both the sides. X plus minus a plus a is equal to b plus a. Okay, so these both will cancel to provide the result as 0. So now x is equal to a plus b or b plus a. You know, addition is commutative and constant addition is also commutative. So this is the result. Okay, so now as you understand, we can add the additive inverse from both the sides in order to eliminate this constant in order to get the value of variable. So now next. So multiplication, let us take. For example, ax is equal to b. Okay, ax is equal to b. So we want the value of x. So we should eliminate a. We know that in case of addition and subtraction, we should use additive inverse. Multiplication, division, multiplicative inverse. So a into 1 by a will give 1 by 10. Okay. So if we multiply 1 by a on both the sides, then what will happen? The a will cancel, we'll get the value directly. So ax into 1 by a will give b into 1 by a. Am I right? So a will cancel. Then x is equal to b by a. Okay, in this way we have to solve. The next last case, a by b, or we can take it as a. Let us take it as like that. X by a is equal to b. Okay, so now here 1 by a is present. So in order to eliminate 1 by a, we should multiply it by its additive inverse a, which is equal to 1. So a, if you multiply on both sides, x by a into a is equal to b into a. A will cancel, x is equal to a into b, or we can write it as ab. This way we should solve an equation. So now if we will solve some questions, okay, this is a simple way. Now we'll solve some questions and we'll understand it, and after that I'll explain you how to do the other method. There are two methods I said, right? So we have, so the first question let us take. The first question let us take is 2x minus 3 plus equal to 7. Okay, so we need to eliminate first minus 3. First step, minus 3 will eliminate. Okay, how to eliminate minus 3? We should add bits additive inverse. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So adding 3 on both sides. Okay, so 2x minus 3 plus 3 will be equal to 7 plus 3. 3 will cancel to provide 0. So 2x is equal to 10. So now it's in the form of ax is equal to b. Okay, ax is equal to b. X value is b by a. Otherwise, if you're still confused, you can use a normal method. So what is 2? 2 into 1 by 2 will be equal to 1. Okay, so 2x into 1. It's get confusing with the simple, right? 2x into 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 2 5 times. The value of x is 5. So now what is this 5? 5 is a solution. So if you substitute 5 in the equation, not to check. So 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. In this way, we should solve the expressions or the equations from. Let us take one more example to understand clearly. 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. So this 9 we have to eliminate. Eliminate. So minus 9 we should subtract. Minus 9 we should add. So 2y plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 4 minus 9. So 2y is equal to 4 minus 9 minus 5. So dividing it by 2. So 2y by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. What is the y value? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 5 by 2 is a rational number. In class 1, we have studied. We saw such equations, but we can get rational number as also solution. So next, we learn the other method, transposing method. Transposing method, which is similar to this method, just it's just a faster method than this. For example, the same condition, x is variable, a and b are constants. Let us take x plus a is equal to b. Instead of adding its additive inverse, we can directly send this a. So here it is plus. When it goes to the other side, the sign will change. So it will get it as x is equal to b minus a. That's all. No other complications. So x minus a when it is equal to b. When this minus a gets converted to the right hand side, its sign changes. Here it's minus, so it gets plus. X is equal to b plus a. Now ax is equal to b. So in order to want the value of x, we can transfer this thing. Multiplication. So addition will get converted into subtraction. Subtraction will get converted into addition. Okay. Multiplication will get converted into division, and division will get converted into multiplication. Okay. So now we'll convert it. What is the value of x? X is equal to b by a. Okay. Now a by x or x by a. Let us take for simplification. X by a is equal to b. Here it's in division. When I send this side, x is equal to a. Same forms, same. That's just a faster method than this. So now let us take some two questions we have and we'll solve those, and we'll end our class. So next. The next question is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. So when this 5 by 2 moves to the right hand side, its sign changes. So x by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. What is this 3 minus 5? Minus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now x by 3 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 3. That's all. That's all simple. Next, the last. Next. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Okay, so now we can transpose the terms in order for the simplification. So we can send minus 7x to the right hand side and send 9 to the left hand side simultaneously. So 15 by 4 minus 9. Here it is plus, so minus 9 is equal to minus 7x. Correct? Is it correct? Now, LCM. What is the LCM? Here 1. We can multiply it. 36 is the, no, we can take 4 as the LCM. 4 is the LCM. So 15 minus what is 9 into 4? 36 is equal to 7x. 15 minus 36 minus 21 by 4 is equal to 7x. Okay. Okay, minus 21 by 4 is equal to 7x. Now we can cancel 7 times 3 times. So x is equal to minus 3 by, this is the value. Okay, if you want to check, you can substitute and check. So So this is a concept until 2.1 exercise. The exercise 2.1 is based on solving the equations which has variable on only one side. Okay, one side. And in order to in order to make you proper clarity, provide you proper clarity in the concept, one more example let us take. 70 plus 6p is equal to 9. So both the methods I will teach. Now 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So we can add additive interest minus 17. Minus 17, so okay, 17 plus 6p minus 17 is equal to 9 minus 17. 17, 17 cancel. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17 is minus 8. P is equal to minus 8 by 6. Okay, this is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now, 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Transferring 17 that side as a plus sign, minus 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. 6p is equal to minus 8. P is equal to minus 8 by 6. It is equal to minus 4 by 6. Okay, this is the way how to solve the linear equations. So we'll be having some applications in the linear equations which we'll discuss in our next class. So in this class we have discussed what is equation, what is linear equation, what is equation, what is expression, variable, left hand side, right hand side, what how to find the solution if the equation is provided in an one hand. So if they from the next class, we'll see some questions or we'll see some applications where they won't give the equation directly. We have to first frame the equation and then solve it. So, thank you. This is your Chebrolu Bhuvan. If you the channel, please like, share, subscribe my channel.